Alright, so we're in the fucking Urus and we got a mirror in the twin turbo. Alright, so I heard Corsa is really good to go really slow. Alright, we just made it to the first spot.
Bro, it's 11 when it started. It's packed already, bro.
Literally.
Go for it. Oh, you've been doing vlogs lately.
Look at this, dude. We got the hookah at the car meet, bro. Thanks to this fucking ugly duckling. It's barely 11 and we already have an almost full gas station. Almost full. It's almost full.
Dude, it's full. Look at all the people.
Oh wait, never mind. I didn't see that. Yeah, it's full as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I don't care what. I want this car. This is my next car, 100%. CTS V3. Bro, I want one so fucking bad. Come on, Amir. What the fuck are you doing?
We had to shut it down, my guy. We had to shut it down.
The car had problems, guys. The car had problems. We're stuck. I'm like, sorry to everyone. What the fuck? All right, all the way from Mexico, straight to the DDE headquarters. How's the drive, Moy?
Dude, really good.
Shit's
Not
sick.
too shabby.
SVJ straight from, where were they? Fucking Cambodia on Gumball 3000? This thing is loud. Fuck.